Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal not mushy. First, select the right type of oats. Old-fashioned rolled oats are ideal for a chewy texture, offering a satisfying bite that instant or quick oats simply cannot provide. Next, pay close attention to your liquid-to-oat ratio. A 2-to-1 ratio, meaning 2 parts liquid to 1 part oats, is crucial for achieving that perfect, non-mushy consistency. Once you have your oats and liquid ready, bring the liquid to a rolling boil in a saucepan. Then, add your oats and immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring only occasionally. Overstirring can release too much starch, leading to a gummier texture. A light simmer ensures the oats cook evenly without breaking down excessively. After simmering, remove the oatmeal from the heat and let it rest, covered, for about 2 minutes. This allows the oats to absorb any remaining liquid and firm up slightly, enhancing their chewiness. Crucially, add any desired mix-ins like fruit, nuts, or sweeteners after cooking. Incorporating them too early can interfere with the oats' texture, making them softer than desired. If your oatmeal is still a bit too thick or thin, don't hesitate to adjust the liquid by a small amount, perhaps 1/4 of a cup, next time. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, try lightly toasting your dry oats in the pan for a couple of minutes before adding liquid. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.